Grafana, Installation and Configuration. Comprehensive guide to install, configure, and personalize Grafana. To install Grafana locally, download the installer from the official website. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once installed, start the Grafana service on your local machine. Set up Grafana using Docker by pulling the official Grafana Docker image. Create a Docker container using this image and start it. Verify the container is running to ensure Grafana is set up correctly. Access the configuration files to modify essential settings for Grafana. Make necessary changes to adapt to your environment. Save the files and apply the configurations to ensure Grafana operates as required. Access Grafana by opening it in a web browser. Use the default credentials to log in for the first time. Set up user accounts to manage access and permissions within Grafana. To connect data sources in Grafana, go to the data source settings. Add a new data source and configure the necessary connection details. Ensure the data source is correctly set up for use in dashboards. Create Grafana dashboards by accessing the Dashboard Creation tool. Add panels to visualize data and customize the layout to suit your needs. This allows for effective data presentation and analysis. Thank you for your time. You can find the content, examples, and our contacts in the video description. If you liked this, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We create video series for product, brand, and tech promotions. Feel free to reach out.